Good evening from here in London. So just heading into that closing bell on Wall Street, and equities are still trading in minor positive territory heading into the weekend. So we're just going to give a bit of a recap of this week's dramatic and exciting events in terms of global markets. Starting off on Sunday night, we saw an incredible 13% fall in silver futures as the CME increased their margin requirements for silver. This did retrace somewhat at the COMEX Open, but quite a dramatic start for silver. So elsewhere in terms of the UK, we did see some rather weaker PMI data. This did weigh on cable slightly, although the main events of the week started on Thursday, where we saw the BOE and the ECB keep their rates on hold, although ECB's Trichet did later hold a press conference. This did have a very dovish statement, which was somewhat unexpected by the markets. This did see euro-dollar fall around 350 pips. So elsewhere we have seen real weakness throughout the whole week in the silver market. Silver down around 25% this week, so a real drop there in the 2011 silver bull market. We also saw an incredible move in WTI crude futures on Thursday as WTI crude fell around 10%, so a real dramatic drop for WTI crude futures on Thursday, as we saw some major long-only funds receive margin calls and large liquidations of positions. So looking back on today, we did have the US non-farm payroll number. This did come in much higher than consensus. This did give a real boost to equities. However, this afternoon we've had some events from Greece where they did say they might consider withdrawing from the Eurozone. This was later denied by European officials, although this was enough to spook the market. Euro-dollar falling around about 150 pips today. And we also saw some weakness in the equity market as well following this news. EU officials, although they did deny us, they did confirm that they were going to hold an emergency meeting in Luxembourg, although they did say that this was not going to be about these Greek stories. So that's about it for the week and from us at RANsquawk. Wish you a pleasant weekend, and we'll see you again next week.